Welcome to building a learning community within your online course. Using free Web 2.0 tools, you will learn ways that you, as the instructor, can connect with your learners. You will also learn ways to help your learners connect with each other and ways to help your learners connect with course content. By helping learners connect with you, each other, and the course content, you are creating a sense of presence and being there for learners that is at the heart of building a learning community. So let's see how the pros do it.
Hi, my name is Noemi Alexander, and I'm your instructor for this course, Political Science 451, Executive Leadership and Management in the Public Sector. That's me over on the left with my husband and our very funny toddler, Zoe. We just recently added to the family. This is Zeke, and he is a very happy boy.
First activity is on cognitive development. So from your field work, you're going to be focusing primarily on cognitive development. And on the activity sheet, there are 4 parts. So the first part.
Well, I hope you had a really good week. Your first week of EDU 300 has passed, and yesterday was a very special day, Dr. Martin Luther King's birthday, and we all reflected.
Hi, my name is Patrick Green, and I am a commercial student at California Baptist University.
Hi, my name is Elisa Tumbleson.
Oh, which is my favorite place in the world? Right here in New York City.
I would like to learn how to be a better teacher. And if we're talking about technology, I'd like to learn how to use my computer better.
Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on.
So my multicultural lit class just finished reading The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison. And this is the 3rd or 4th time I've read the book, and the thing that I really like is that every time I read it, I find something different.
By the way, let me just say a couple of words about that Twitter nonsense. Anybody here have you hooked yourself up to the Twitter thing? It's just stupid. It's just crap. I'll tell you. Thank you.
It's been really exciting because usually in classes like this, you'll have 3 people that talk about the discussion material, and so to actually have 30 or 40 people at a time talking about it is really interesting. And then I can go back through the weekend and send them direct messages and ask them to probe kind of further and really think about the material that they've been reading.
The significant terms that we've talked about in our discussions, we'll tweet that, and so you can go back on it, and it's a pretty good study to look at what was most important with what we talked about that week.
Oftentimes, there's a lot of miscellaneous information that students think they need to throw in that kind of muddle up the idea that they're trying to portray. So having to keep them limited to 140 characters does require students to get at the absolute kind of central point.
I think it's actually probably better this way because I know there's some kids where they'd want to have something to say, but they're a little bit shy or standoffish, so they don't always give it. So this gives a better opportunity for people to still express their views on what's going on and what's being discussed.
This is a very different format than your typical history discussion or history class. format, and I had no idea how it was going to work. I think I remember saying, it's going to be messy, and I'm just going to have to come to grips with the fact that it's going to be messy, but messy doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be